Okay, to use the PowerSchool Parent app, you can download from the iPhone or Android stores, or the Apple App Store, or the Google Play Store. And once you download it, you can simply open it up. And the first thing it'll ask you to do is type in your district code. So go ahead and type in your district code from the parent portal. You click continue. And when you have the code ready. Once you push continue, it'll be asking you for the username and password, and it's the same password and username that you use for the website. Once you log in, you'll see a dashboard, and there are lots of different options available for you. So the top part right there you'll see is the GPA of your student and where they are with their current grades. Next is the quick lookup overview of all of your kids' final classes and grades, and then the assignments that are coming up or due, the assignments that have been graded today, and the status of assignments that are in the classroom, missing, incomplete, late, and your students' attendance will be on here. The school bulletin, as well as the meal balance and fee balance amounts that are left on your student's account. But let's go back up and let's focus in on that quick overview lookup. So you can tap on any of those classes. It'll bring up the class. It's under semester 1 right now. There's their final grade, and it shows what the coursework is like within the class and what the grades are for those assignments. If you click on one of them or tap on one of them, it'll bring up more details about them. You can also bring up the attendance for the student as well, how they've been for that teacher. And you can also bring up the standards to see how they're doing with mastery on certain concepts within that class. And you can also change the term to see how the grades change per term. And by clicking on the other assignment sections, you notice by tapping on them, it just brings up the same assignment view. It brings up a little more details about the assignments that you are looking at. And you can also take a look at the attendance for the student, and you can see what kind of attendance mark was marked on that day, was given on that day for the student. Now, if you go near the bottom of it, you can see the classes, and it brings up more of a grid view to see what's going on across all of your students' classes and their schedule, a calendar if the school uses it, and account information. Most important here is the notifications, so that you can go through and select for yourself how do you want to be notified of what's going on with the students. And finally, the last button there brings up information about the school, phone number, address, those kind of things, and then help for using the app. And that's how you use the PowerSchool app to check up on your student.